Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Team Charter Elementary School, Team Charter Bianchi in Stockton, California. And this is my first time coming to visit them here on their campus. Just a beautiful morning and early afternoon. Got to do 3 separate assemblies to all the grades, TK through 5th. And the main focus today was all about bullying, but looking at someone's heart first, right? The same way that you look at your best friend. And what I always try to push for in this particular program is knowing that our heart is big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness, respectfully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? Peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love, right? But it's also too, because in just 2 seconds, we can either uplift someone high as the clouds, you see above me there, and it stays in their heart in a positive way forever, or conversely, we can say something so mean and destructive that it stays on their heart in a very negative way for the rest of their life, right? So to know that we have this choice at a young age to, either raise up or to tear down, that's a huge life lesson to grasp, right? And the kids really got that, and they understood that, look, the biggest reason that bullying happens that I've found, speaking in 20 states to over 1 million students all across the US, is that hurt people, right? But healed people can heal people, and we can always choose that love over hatred. That a lot of times I always say that kids aren't cruel, people aren't cruel. We're all just mirrors, right? And we reflect sometimes, unfortunately, the hatred that we witness, growing up in our environments wherever we're at. But we can always choose to reflect the love. And we come from that space, now we're seeing people for their heart first, just like you see your best friend. We're starting to, hopefully start to turn the page and, be that change that Gandhi talks about that we want to see in the world. And like MLK says, that the time's always right to do what is right. That darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that, right? Hate can't drive out hate, only love can do that. And to really just take that to heart, through the heartfelt stories that I shared today, some of the inspirational videos, the positive music, the students, it just, there's these pin drop moments where afterwards when they shared their heart with me and said something really touched their heart, I said, that's because you have a big heart, right? And now it's up to you to go to share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward, by hopefully seeing someone for their heart first, but also for this too. I always bring it up in all my presentations, but we all, with the lines on our hands, have the letter M. Right, I trace one of mine here. We have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. That M stands for miracle, just like the front of my shirt, upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we truly have to buy into that concept. And once we do, we start to reverse, some of these negative beliefs that people have about themselves, that there's a lot of opinions out there, but not every opinion matters. What matters is what you believe and what your best friends see you as, which is hopefully a miracle, right? And once you see this and become healed yourself, now it's your responsibility to go and be on the lookout for others that might need that same type of help. So thank you all for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again in the near future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to check out my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.